Hi guys, welcome back to this live session. This is my second live session. It's my second live session, right?
Yes.
With ARCS. So I'm here again to take all your questions. Thank you all for all the support that you guys have shown towards our brand ARCS. It's been a year with ups and downs, some successes, some failures, lots of learning, lots of feedback, lots of growth, and lots of gratitude in our hearts for all the support that you have showed towards the ARCS community. What I have in my hand is something that I will probably reveal at the end of this live. Till then, I'm here to answer all your questions. I have some feedback that I would like to read that has come to us over this past year. What's good, what's bad, what can be better, how we should improve. So let me get to that. Just go slow on your questions because I don't want to miss out on your questions because I want to chat with all of you guys. But let me start with this. So the first one comes from Divya. She says, really love the store and collection. Came all the way from Bangalore for this. Please open one there soon. Thank you, Dia, for your lovely letter. Yes, that is in the plan. We plan to open many stores across India. Bangalore, of course, being right up there. So hopefully soon. The second one comes from Ria. She says, my second visit in 2 days brought my husband today. He also loved the range, although would love some slim fit styles. Great service from Rahman, super helpful. Lots of love from London. Thank you, Ria. Slim fit styles is something, yes, that we are also working on. We are working on different styles. Like I said, this year has been a lot of learning for us. You know, what worked for us, what didn't work for us, what works for the customers, for all the shoppers. So we're taking all of that in our stride and trying to move forward with that. Thank you for your feedback. Next one comes from Gayatri. She says, dear RK, big thank you from a big fan. Love all the stuff here. Happy buyer. Happy buyer. Happy founder, if I can say. This comes from Pathik Patil. Hello sir, I'm your big fan. I have traveled from Surat to Mumbai just to visit your store. I got very good perfume from here. I was wishing to meet you, but it could not happen. Best of luck for your future films. Thank you. Pathik, I would have loved to meet you. Thank you for your feedback. Yes, the perfumes have done really well for us. Right now we have Day Night, which is which you guys have already tried out, but we're coming up with 2 new fragrances. Very excited about that. That should come within the next couple of months. So do try that and give your feedback on that. Rest is a lot of love from Ria Radia, from Sanya, and Pooja. She also says that need options of buying different color socks. That's good feedback. I think we'll definitely work on that. But now is my favorite part is let me start taking some questions from you guys. Okay, how do I do this? Okay. Slow guys, slow. Hi Janvi, love you too. Love and War कब आएगी? 2 साल से movie नहीं आई. Yeah, I mean, I'm also been working really hard on the projects that I'm part of right now. Love and War has been such an amazing experience, you know, working with Mr. Bansali again, who just blows my mind that director since 4 decades is still the best at what he does. It's turning out to be really special. So you'll get updates really soon. Can we have I love you Ranbir, Ankita, I love you too. Brahmastra 2 is also in the works. Should happen soon. International delivery. We are working on that actually. International delivery is something which I'm very excited about. And I keep telling my co-founder Abhinav that we should start that as soon as we can. So he's at it. What is your... okay, you guys are going too fast. Suman, hi. Jordi, I would love to meet you too. What about Animal Park? Animal Park will start mid next year. What else? Hi Ima, hi Amir from Pakistan. Ashutosh, love Rocket Singh, and Bombay Velvet also, man, you're really a good fan of mine. Happy Valentine's Day to all of y'all and to Ummi27. What else? More collections. Yes, that's the plan. We are actually Really excited about what's going to come this year. We are going to. I mean, I'm told not to really say much because I over talk, but I get too excited sharing all this with you. But in our accessories world, we're coming with new bags, different kinds of bags, which I'm very excited about. New cap styles. We're coming with 2 new fragrances. We are also launching our athleisure line, which I'm very excited about. We've been working on that since this entire year. It's hi from Hyderabad. That's Kehkashan. Hi, Kehkashan. Kittu. Hi, Kittu. Lots of love. I also have some questions that are frequently asked questions, which I think I should address out here. I'll come back to your questions very soon. Hi, Sarah. I see you, and lots of love to you. Hi, Akash. Lots of love to you. Ria Panchal. Rudraksh. Lots of love. So these are the questions that has come to us. The common questions, we've picked the best of the lot. The first one is one word that describes 1 year of ARCS for you. I think I would humbly say learnings. What's the journey been like a founder? It's been, the word I will use is gratitude, because I've often said that it was a dream of mine to start something like this, and to be received with so much of love and seen so much of support from our shoppers, from our consumers. That's something which gives me lots of happiness. What product or category are you excited about launching? Like I just mentioned, athleisure is something that I'm very excited about. We worked very hard on it. Our new performance sneaker is going to launch soon. Very excited about that. It took us a year of development to really reach to this point, so that should come out soon. A moment that means a lot to you in the year of ARCS. I think this interactions, meeting people at the stores, getting consumer feedback, I think that's something which excites me the most, because when you make people happy, everything leads from there. So I think that has been a big learning for us. What are your upcoming launches? I mentioned that earlier on. How do you personally decide what to do and what not to do for the brand? I think it's a collective effort. Our entire team, we all come together, we sit, we ideate, we brainstorm. It's something very personal to us. So every product out there is something that we would use on ourselves. We would like to wear it. We would like to see the feel of it, the cut of it, how it looks, how it feels. And then we start processing it. So it's a very personal style of operating. The last question is, how different is it being a founder versus being associated with the brand? It's very different, because being a founder is you put a lot of yourself. Of course, when you're a brand ambassador, there is an existing brand that you come and you provide your services. But where ARCS is concerned, apart from the movies, a lot of my time, a lot of my headspace is dedicated towards the growth of this brand. We are trying to do it one step at a time and not really stretch ourselves, beyond our reach. So yeah, it's one step at a time. Lots of hard work, lots of personalized emotions, personalized headspace gone into it, and I think that's what makes it very exciting. Also, I guess one feedback we've got is we really need to build on our women's collection. It's something that we have been working on for some time now, and we have got some really lovely designs. But so do expect that more woman line and more exciting designs, new styles. Let's get back to your questions. Aisha said, going too fast. What is ARCS? Is it Alia, Ranbir Kapoor, Singh? There is no Singh. Yeah, my mom was a Singh. But no, it has no meaning. It's just a word that I really liked. What is your best moment? This one is climbing the charts, chatting with all you guys. ARCS launch in Kolkata. Again, like I said, I want to spread ARCS all over India. That's the idea, that's the intention. But one step at a time. It's not something that we're just, we're just going out there and just opening stores. I think it takes time to build a brand, and we're taking our time. Activewear, yes. Vedant says activewear, that's what we're coming up with next. Raha is amazing, as beautiful and as amazing as ever. Thank you for asking. Arcs in Ahmedabad, yes. Actually, we've been seeing the data, and Gujarat has been one of our top-selling states. So we're really looking forward to opening a store in Ahmedabad. Love you too, fierce chick, and I hope to meet you. I hope to meet you also soon. Will Ramayan release this year? Yes, it's coming this Diwali, 2026. Lots of love from Naveed. Lots of love right back at you. Alimbai says, I want to ask you a question. Alimbai, your humor really baffles me, so please do ask me a question whenever you can. When you visit Arc store, Andheri, sir, I want to meet you. We really don't have a store in Andheri. We have a store in Bandra. I do visit that store quite often, and I hope that I get to meet you. Hi, Wake Up Barfi. Lots of love from Sahib. Lots of love right back at you. Sophia Sheikh, happy Valentine's Day. Lots of love. Lots of love to Hadia. Will ARCs be available overseas too? Yes, that's in the pipeline. We're working on that. It's not really easy to, when you're starting a new brand, it's only been a year for us. It requires a lot of time, a lot of growth to reach there. But yes, the idea and the intention is to make a global brand out of it. Hello, Bhani. Happy Valentine's Day to you. Adeep says, let's make a skincare brand together. Adeep, I don't really know much about skincare because I myself am very bad with my skincare. I don't use any sunscreen or moisturizer. My wife is always complaining about that. But yeah, if you start a skincare brand, I would love to buy your products. Karan Thakkar wants a wardrobe tour of mine. Karan, one day, of course, I'll show you my wardrobe. Arcs in Pune. Yes, Pune has been really lovely to us. They've been really loyal consumers and customers. So I hope to open a store in Pune. But till then, Pune, thank you for all the love. Hi, Raheel Muskan. Lots of love to you. Happy Valentine's Day, Damini. What type of consumers are you targeting? Every type of consumer. Anybody who wants to live life with a little bit of style, a little bit of aesthetic, a little bit of comfort, and a little bit of feeling of luxury. I think that's our perfect customer. Arcs in Chennai, yes. Arcs everywhere, that's the intention. Fingers crossed. Hi, Naveed. Lots of love to you. Hi, mainly Jugal. Hi, Ajit. Many congratulations for Ramayan movie and can't wait to see you at the movies. Can't wait to see you at the movies. What else? Hi, Kiran. Hi, Himanshi. Hi, Churasa Bharwal. I hope I've pronounced your name right. Loki Vamsi, happy Arcs Day and Valentine's Day to you. Hi, Ashwini. Please say something about my upcoming films. My next release is Ramayan, and after that would be Love and War. That's what my next two releases are. Hey, Ranbir. Let me get this. I have tried your t-shirt and I really love it. I want to open your store in Nagpur. Love you. Want to meet you soon. That's Aisha. Thank you, Aisha. Thank you for your feedback. Arcs in Kanpur. Hopefully soon. Till then, you please visit our website and you can get everything on that website. And do give me your feedback on that too. Hi, Chandresh. What else? My current favorite song. What's my current favorite song right now? I'm still listening to all the amazing tracks from Dhurandhar. That's right up there. And Talvinder songs are really amazing. I really like him. Hi, Arkan Asif. Hi, Musum. Preet says the logo of Arcs is just my signature. Love it. Well, I'm so happy to hear that. We worked very hard to get that logo right. Hi, Shadna Saifi. Hi, Ritik Biswas. Lots of love to you. Ramayan release on Raha's birthday. Yes, that's such a beautiful coincidence. What else? Arjun Bhardwaj. Lots of love to you. Sanjana Mukhia. Hi. Shitiz, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. What else? Current favorite movie, the last current favorite movie, I guess, was Dhurandhar. Absolutely loved that film. I think the entire cast and crew really smashed it, and really good times at the movies. Arcs in Punjab, yes, we have been flirting with the idea of launching a store in Chandigarh very soon. So looking forward to that. Animal Park theme in Arcs. Well, that'll be interesting. I'll try and pitch it to Sandeep, and I hope he allows me to wear some merchandise from Arcs. What else? Hi, Arjun Bhardwaj. Sona, love you too. Hi, Harshvardhan. When will you plan Arcs in Odisha, Bhubaneswar? Like I said, we're going really slow with opening stores all around India. As you know, it's a big expense, and my team usually says that we can't afford it. But if I had my way, I would open stores all over India. But till then, you can visit our website and buy whatever you like from there. What else do we have? Hi, Rachit. Hello, RK. My name is Udit Yanshu. I've literally grown up with your movies. I cherish every one of them. But Tamasha was something special. I made me understand with my passion, which is direction. I'm so happy to hear that. I get lots of love for that film Tamasha, that it's changed many people's lives, and there's no greater feeling for an artist than this kind of feedback. So thank you so much. When will I come to Dubai? Bhani Israni, I come to Dubai very often, so maybe very soon. XZY says, RK recently watched Bachna Hai Seen on Netflix again. Fall in love with you. Thank you. I'm so young in that now when I see it, I really feel like it's a different human being. But it was lots of fun working on that film. Lots of good memories. Arcs in Indore, hopefully soon. What else? Hi Sanjida. Hi Surjaya. Rishita, lots of love to you. Tassin, lots of love to you. I've got some question here. Okay, what else we have? My team is saying that I need to quicken this, but I don't want to do that, so I'll take as many questions and as many requests as I can. What's your name? Satyendra Patel. Lots of love to you. Hi Suman. A lot of people are asking me to open a store in the city that they live in, and I hope that I could do that one day. So I hope that the Arcs becomes such a popular and loved brand that we are able to do something like that. Hi Mufaddal, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. What else? Hi Swaroop. What's next with Arcs? Please do some oversized wear. That's good feedback. Yes, that's in the pipeline also. We have some really nice designs with some oversized shirts and t-shirts which are unisex. So I hope you like that. Hi Akash, I want to meet you too. So hope we bump into each other soon. Hello Proud Del Sijena. I'm your biggest fan. I'm Nitish Chaudhary. Like really from childhood. Oh, we already spoke. Sorry, it's come again. Sanat Sawant, be my Valentine. Always Sanat. I'll always be your Valentine. Okay, I got this one. I'm an actor. I do theatre. What can I do to get into film line? I think you've already on the way to reaching your dreams and goals. Theatre is something that will really hone your skills as an actor. My advice to every young person, male or female, when they ask me what advice would I give them to start working in the movies is do some theatre, experience life, travel around your country, read a lot, watch movies, starting from 40s, 50s, 60s, watch everything that there is, assist a filmmaker, learn the ropes of filmmaking. That's how I did it, and soon, one day at a time, you will reach your goal. Ayan says, how's Raha? Raha is just amazing. We'll say that you said hi to her. Madhul Verma says, in India we have limited options for plus size women. Does Arcs plan to have a range? Yes, we do have a range for plus sizes. We are working on that. Like I said, we are working harder on a women's line this year because we've got some feedback that there's more men's wear than women's wear, and I really wanted Arcs to be a unisex brand where everybody can, come to the world of Arcs and, buy whatever they like. Sanvi, Ranbir, I had a really bad day. Can you please give me a shout? Hi, Sanvi. So sorry about your bad day, but just remember, after a bad day comes a good day. So be optimistic, and I'm sure tomorrow will be an amazing day for you. What else? Hi, Pratyush. Lots of love. Real Kabir says, कौन से घर आऊँ, वास्तु या Krishna Raj? I have moved to Krishna Raj now. Krishna Raj is my home, so come anytime. Would love to meet you. Bruce Wayne, love you, bhai. Franchise in Odisha, hey RK, love you. Happy Valentine's Day to Himani Joshi. What is this? Hi RK, just wanted to say how much I love you and admire. I never miss a single one of your movies, and I'm really counting the days for Love and War and Ramayana and Anand Park. Thank you. I hope you enjoy those movies when it releases. Brahmastra 2 is in the works. We shall start shooting that movie very, very soon, sooner than you expect. What else? Hi Ranbir, I'm Divya, I'm 17 years old. I think I was your first customer from South Africa. I came in March 2025. Much love. Thank you so much. Hope you're doing well in South Africa, and I hope you continue to buy our stuff. Hi Krishay. Hi Satish. Hi Amisha Kashyap. Lots of love to you. Arcs in Pune. Lots of Pune requests. I hear you. I'm taking all this feedback. Tanmay, will security allow in Krishna Raj? Don't worry, if you've come to meet me or take a selfie with me, I promise if I'm home, I'll definitely come and take a selfie with you. What is this? Vanshin. Sorry, my eyesight is a bit. Vansh says, एक सुपरस्टार था जो see you at the movies बोल के 3-4 साल गायब हो जाता है. यार, it's my bad luck only. Whenever I start a movie, it usually, people finish movies in 4 months, 6 months, but my films take a long time. But I hope that when it releases, you forget all that time that it's taken. But I assure you that I'm working really hard. Since the last 2-3 years, I've been working very hard on the movies and on Arcs. So I guess good things take time. कौन है ये? Mrinmaya. Hi to Mrinmaya. Any chances of Rockstar 2? Wow, that would be interesting. I don't think we've cracked a script yet, but if Imtiaz can and crack a good idea to take forward the character of Jordan, it will be very exciting. Hi Zara, lots of love. Anirban, sadly, that's your name. You should change it to Anirban happily. Any IRK, any sneaker drops soon? Yes, we actually have some drops coming. And taking a cue from what you just said, in the beginning of the live, we showed you this box, which says Slide, and this is a new drop that's coming in 4 different colors. Should be in the stores very soon, which is the new Arcs Slide, which I'm very excited about. It's super comfortable, and I can't wait for you guys to try it and experience it and give me your feedback on this. So very excited for this product. Coming in 4 colors, which is a blue, red, black, and an off-white. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hi Swarangi, lots of love to you. Hi Keshav. Hi. These names are very hard to say. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani Part 2. A lot of guys want Part 2 of movies, but there's so many new stories and new directors and new ideas to work with. I think Ye Jawani Hai Diwani had the perfect end, so I don't think it warrants a Part 2. But maybe another film would come for similar genre, which you guys would enjoy too. How do I deal with loneliness? I'm very good with loneliness. I'm very happy being on my own, with my own thoughts, without doom scrolling or without any negative thoughts. I think it's very important to be at peace with yourself and just be. And I think I've really mastered that art. Hi Banerjee 9989. Parthiv says, love the design and branding of Arcs. I also got my new Arc sneakers. Great, I'm so happy to hear that. Yesterday I visited Nizamuddin Dargah and people are still talking about you. One of my best experiences visiting Nizamuddin Dargah and also having the opportunity to shoot out there. Devan Patel, मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों सर जी? मेरा भी नाम ले लो. Divan here. Hi Divan. My next movie is Love and War and Ramayan. Very excited about that. हाय आलोक, 3 साल से वेट कर रहा हूँ आपकी मूवी के लिए. मैं भी बहुत सालों से वेट कर रहा हूँ कि एक रिलीज़ आ जाए, but बहुत soon. All the movies are going to come back to back now. Hi Sarah. Tamasha is my comfort and healing movie. Thanks for the masterpiece. You're welcome, Kanya. Are you still the owner of Mumbai City FC and which players and teams you like? Of course, I am still part of Mumbai City Football Club, another passion of mine, and very excited about this year's campaign also. What else? Okay guys, lots of love to you. I know I can't speak to all of you all, and I feel the love. So really happy birthday to Arcs. Lots of gratitude, lots of love for all the support that you guys have been part of the Arcs community. Like I said, this couldn't have been possible without you. So I have lots of happiness in my heart when I do something like this, when I get to interact with you, when I get to take your feedback, where I get to thank you guys. Another thing that I wanted to say is that we're starting, what would you say? An activity in our stores where we are customizing sneakers, and there is a designer called Henil who has customized these sneakers for me, as you can see, which I'm very excited about. So if you guys want to get something personalized for yourselves, please do visit our Mumbai store and our Delhi store. And we're going to do lots of activities this year, which we can really build on the community of Arcs and of people from different walks of life. So we all can come together, for a brighter future, for just to come together, just to build something which is valuable for all of us. So thank you so much. 1 year has been beautiful, and this is only beautiful because of you guys. And I look forward to this next year with all you guys. Lots of love, and see you at the movies. I don't think I've switched it off. I pressed something wrong. Oh, that's the button.
Yeah,
Okay.
just press.
Bye. Love you. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy 1 year to Arcs.